Focus on removing the piston rings. Dismantle the piston and connecting rod. Check the side clearance of piston rings in the piston groove and land for wear. Check piston skirt and crown for damage and scuffing. Clean oil holes. Hi, my name is Charumali. Welcome to the session. And today we are going to learn to remove the piston rings and dismantle the piston and connecting rod. We are also going to check the side clearance of piston rings in the piston groove.
At the end of this demonstration, you will be able to dismantle piston and connecting rod assembly, remove piston rings from the piston, measure the ring and groove side clearances, tools and instruments required, spanner set complete, vise, circlip plier, drift, feeler gauge, equipment and spares required, piston and connecting rod assembly, materials required, lubricating oil, tray, barnier cloth. Now I am going to demonstrate how to dismantle the piston and connecting rod assembly. During engine removal, we removed the piston and connecting rod assembly and kept in a place. Ensure the markings in the piston and connecting rod before dismantling. Hold the connecting rod in a vise so that the piston skirt is resting on the top of the vise jaws so it cannot swivel. Do not hold the piston in the vise. This action damages the piston. Use the piston ring expander to remove the piston rings from the piston. Hold the piston ring expander on the top ring firmly and place the ends of the piston ring expander on the piston ring ends. Press the piston ring expander. This makes the piston to expand from the ring groove and slowly take out the piston rings by lifting the piston ring expander. Then remove the 2ND piston ring from the 2ND ring groove, lift and place the first ring groove. Now again remove the 2ND ring from the first ring groove. In the similar manner, remove the oil control ring. With the help of a circlip plier, remove the circlip from the groove in the piston pin boss. Slightly tap the piston pin with the help of a drift and a mallet. Remove the piston pin out from the piston pin boss. While removing the piston pin, hold the piston firmly by your hand. Now remove the piston from the assembly and keep it in a tray. Remove the connecting rod from the vise and keep it near the piston which is removed from it. Take the connecting rod out of the vise and place it near the corresponding piston that has been detached. Proceed to disassemble all the pistons and connecting rods, ensuring they are placed in an organized manner in a proper place. Clean the piston rings and connecting rods, then dry them and keep them in a tray. Blow the oil holes in the connecting rod with compressed air. Ring groove clearance. The next task is to check ring groove clearance. Before checking, piston grooves must be clean, dry and free of carbon deposits. Fit the piston ring into the piston groove as shown and measure clearance between ring and ring land by using a thickness gauge. Determine the largest size feeler gauge that will fit between the side of each ring and groove. If clearance is out of specification, replace the piston. Repeat this operation for all pistons. Replace any pistons that have excessive wear.
Thus, we have learned to remove piston rings and dismantle the piston and connecting rod. We have also learned to check the side clearance of piston rings in the piston groove. Hope you have a clear understanding of this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor. Thank you all. See you in the next video.